Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda, absolutely lovely condition. Its age and mileage top spec as well. The front park distance control, lovely Firenze red metallic, absolutely spotless. Keyless entry, keyless lock, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, rear spoiler. That popping in the sun, absolutely lovely. Boot area, lovely condition. Split rear seats which fold down as well. Big option, full leather interior, Isofix. Lovely carbon effect here. Red stitch piping, I love that. Goes with the exterior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Got heads up display. It's done 95,671 miles. This car's also fitted with 3-stage heated seats to front, passenger, drivers. It's got satellite navigation, climate control, 2 keys, cruise control, auto headlights, bows. It's just absolutely fully loaded. Go to the home screen, we've got Bluetooth, entertainment system. Centre armrest, USBs. Really is great value for money. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.